Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn English 360. So friends, today we are gonna discuss about a very interesting fact, that is, why doesn't oil mix with water? So let's dive right into the awesome science on this one. Starting with oil. Oil is less dense, lighter than water, so it floats on top of the water. Water molecules bind so closely to each other that water does not readily mix with oil unless you introduce something like soap that loosens the water molecules. Now we are gonna explain it in details. First one is polarity. What is called polarity? Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a positive charge on one and a negative charge on the other. Oil molecules are non-polar, meaning they have no polar part. Next one, what is hydrogen bonds? Water molecules bond together with hydrogen bonds. Oil molecules can't break these bonds, so they stay separate from water. Next one is density. Oil is less dense than water, so it floats on the top. Do you know, to get oil and water to stay mixed, you need some help from emulsifier, which can be found in egg yolks and star ingredients in mayonnaise. Emulsifier are special molecules that bridge the gap between two liquids that don't get along, like oil and water. I guess these explanations are helpful in cooking too. So friends, want more fun science? Then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more video updates. Thanks for watching.